I'm Dr. Lutzmiri, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic Green Assets and Modeling for the subject Green Computing. This is the 8th semester CSE students elected. Green Asset. So by the end, our objective is to learn about the concept of green assets. Green asset produces revenue with the additional aspect of an ability to be renewable. The three major phases or activities associated with the life cycle of these assets are depicted as follows. The way they are established or procured, the manner in which they are operated or run, the strategies for their disposal or demolishment. It deals with the green credentials of the asset in terms of its design and development. It operates the manner of operation of the asset has a bearing on the total carbon distribution of an organization. Disposal, this is the eventual phase of an asset, and it also impacts the overall carbon footprint of an organization. Building and facility management. The physical buildings and facilities belonging to the organization form the core of its non-movable assets. Buildings, which is usually not a part of its directly, or still a major contributor to the organization carbon footprint. So how the green IT hardware will look like? See the diagram. Green IT hardware, that is IT specific, will be having data servers, end user computers, mobiles, peripherals. So the data servers include physical server, wired and wireless networks, housing hardware, that's racks. So end user computer, desktop, monitors, laptop, batteries. So mobiles include phones, PDAs, personal data assistant, digital assistant, pods, chargers, peripherals, printers, copiers and shredders. So green POD, procure, operate and dispose. These are the green hardware. Green data center. The green data center, this is one of the backbone of the green computing. Data center design, layout and location, that's important. The cooling aspect, air conditioning, so power source and the consumption. So power management, you will have the lights and operational aspects. So see the diagram, will be having networks, architecture, then cooling and air conditioning system. The data servers with their numbers, how many number of servers employed, their positioning and corresponding energy efficient computing. Data strategy including security and backup. So networks and communication equipments. Data center design, layout and location. Data center buildings are specialized building to hold the large computing and communication equipments of the organization. They are specific design, layout and location consideration for the data centers. Data centers, server strategies, they are housed within the green data center and require specific strategies for positioning, cooling and usage. Data strategy and the carbon emitting bit, the speed, backup, so density, on-site or off-site data, how much amount of mirroring is needed, the quantity, security, the privacy, provisioning, space. Data server optimization can be improved through better organization of the database, including the design, provisioning for redundancy, then improved capacity, then RDBMS such as OODBMS, data normalization, the proper data types used. So cloud computing and data center, it offers economics of scale. So can expand to it have the scalability, networking and communication infrastructure. So part of the information architecture cannot help reduce traffic but also improve carbon performance. Local area networks of the organization that are made up of physical connection among the machines and primarily the data center. Wide area network, desktop, laptop and its data. So mobile networks, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi Max is another mobile standard for point-to-point communication that is based on the radio frequency standardized technology. Devices, they emit carbon, they used to measure, monitor and mitigates carbons. The various tools and technologies in carbon measurement, dashboards, displays attached to the display emission, mobile gadgets for measuring emissions, survey of employees and their stakeholders, inventory of the organization to identify unused goods, interviews of employees and stakeholders to ascertain carbon emissions. Thank you. So, what do you mean by green asset? Green asset produces revenue